Time for your angel message this week. And this is coming from Kyle Gray's Angel Prayer Oracle card deck. Lovely deck. I love this deck. This deck has already been cleared and shuffled, so it's ready to go. So let's see what the universe has to offer you this week. All right, let's see here. Here and pick two cards. Oh, there's a lot of energy over here. I think it's this card right here. And what else goes with that one? Where? Right here. Okay. All right, your inner voice. Thank you, angels, for guiding me through my inner voice. Thank you, angels, for motivating me to move my body and energy. Okay, listening to our inner voice. You know, if you're a sensitive or a psychic or a medium like I am, you get voices in your head, and sometimes it's like, who am I listening to here? Always important to make your discernments as to who you're listening to. But if you get quiet and you practice listening to your soul, to your higher self, to your archangels, to your guardians, to all of your spirit guides that come from the highest source for your highest good and the highest good of all, you can start to determine, who am I really listening to? And so listening to your inner voice can really be an important part of your spiritual growth. For me, it's a part of my everyday living. I for a long time have had 6 life goals that are sort of my stick in the ground, and this is the morality around how I live my life. And when something pushes me and I'm like, I'm not so sure about this, I consult my higher self, I consult my spirit guides, my angels, and I measure it against those 5 or 6 life goals that I've had. And if it lines up, then all is well, move forward. If it doesn't line up, or doesn't sound like something that my spirit guides from the highest source for my highest good normally talk to me about, I'm like, hang up the phone. So listening to your inner voice can be very, very helpful. Using discernment. Move your body. Thank you, angels, for motivating me to move my body and my energy. Well, listen, if you're trying to listen to your inner voice, you want it to be a free-flowing stream. You don't want it to be an old stagnant pond of water, right? You don't want that old algae growth. So moving your body is a perfect way of getting your energy going. Doesn't have to be anything, specific. Just get up and move around. Just get up and walk. Got a dog? Walk the dog. If you're in a cubicle office, get up and walk around the perimeter of the office building. So moving your body is a physical, 3-dimensional way of getting your energy flowing. Lots of other ways, but today our angels are reminding us, move your body. So folks, I hope that message resonates with you this week. This is Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. That really helps us grow. But above all, folks, namaste.